What's up, you guys? We're doing Try Not to Laugh with Mackenzie. I've been crying because for some other reason you don't even know that I can't tell you, but we're gonna do Try Not to Laugh, and we have ice cubes if we laugh. I'm trying to get in front of the camera. Put the chicken up. Oh. Okay. Here we go.
Time of succession.
Yes, he
Jump!
knows.
Jump!
I knew that will happen. I guess he.
This is the trick shot.
Ice down the shirt. Where do you want it? In the front. No. Fine. Down the belly button. I think your belly is mad now. It's slipped out. And I do have
Started it off.
doing. Oh, he's going to. It's going to hit his head. It's going to hit his head. What? What's funny about that? Oh, no, Grandma. Oh, no, Grandma! I don't like when old people. Do I do an ice cube for that? Yes, you do. You've been laughing. I laughed and you didn't even notice. You laughed. Fine. No, where do you want it? Where do you want it? Front. That one was wet. It's caught by my shirt. Look down. Look. I hope your belly is happy still. When she's doing these ice cubes, they're not really working. He's going to fall in. He's going to fall. Told you. Hey, I didn't laugh. Oh, I seen this one. I seen this. That one. Yeah, remember? Yeah. What was funny about that?
You take that, sexy follow button.
He's
You
gonna
punch it in
fall
the
off
face
it.
like a boss.
He's
Now I'm
gonna
gonna be
fall
doing
off
some
it.
flips.
Ooh. You know what? We should got that Blaine falling on the. Wait, no. She's gonna fall. Whenever someone is on the trampoline, they fall. Oh my god! Come on, you have to admit that was funny. I didn't laugh. We want it in the front. These don't work. It did not touch me. Kinda. I know, these don't work. These don't work. We should have done cold water instead. Why is it still on pause? I don't know why. Ooh! Right on the face.
Wait, that wasn't the trick. Do the bunny hop thing. You just jump.
Oh, dang.
Oh, no.
That's dangerous right there. What's funny about that?
Oh, no.
There it is. Why the baby? Why? And why do you have skates on? He's going to fall, not the baby. Oh, the baby's going to fall, too. Oh, never mind. The dad's going to fall.
Trying to make a backward shot. Don't think I got a chance at it, but 9-foot goal. Come on. Freaking.
He gets what he deserves. They don't do this in stores. Lady. A cow's leg. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I knew it. Oh, you weren't laughing.
Is it already on?
I was laughing. Oh, pause it.
Oh!
That's what we're feeling good. What? It's a. I always do the same one. You can't do that. I want to though. It's always the same one though. In my chair. Right below your butt. Let's get it back. What? Go back. I'm recording a video. Go. We're still recording. Hang on. One sec, guys. Hey guys, we're back. I had to deal with something. Let's go back.
Shut up, Dave!
Down. Oh, he's back. He's back. Oh, that was it. Okay. Come on, you had to admit that was funny. Or you want it? No difference. Oh no. Oh! Ah! Remember, you can't do that. I'm just pressing your back. I thought we had agreement. What are you talking about?
That was bad. You might as well not have had that.
I feel like he's going to fall. He's going to fall. Told you. What? Oh! Wait. What was wrong with her? Oh. What? Uh-oh.
Hey, here we go.
Wait, remember, guess what she said? What? Here. Now you get that, excuse me. No, you spit in here. What? Dude, we're 8 minutes. I think we're gonna do this a 2-part video. I got thighs. Cube. Put it back in. You had your enough time. So guys, I think we're gonna end it there today. I think we're gonna do a 2-part of this. So in a little bit. So subscribe and like the video. And don't tell me you lost this bitty shark.
I lost it.
Hey Sam, look underneath you. Oops. It's still on viral. Guys, please subscribe and like. I'll be back shortly.